있어요. 템사들이 넘어가거든요.
This video is recorded in Dashcam. This footage is from United States. A black car who is overspeeding and crashed into other cars. 3 cars get damage, and no one get injured. Too many trucks get collied on the road while crossing. Both the vehicle are in very high speed and not able to manage the speed, and shattered into pieces. This footage recorded in street CCTV camera. This footage recorded in the dashcam, a black car caught fire due to CNG. CNG tank get blast into the car and caught fire. And the car is moving on the road. Luckily, when his incident happened, no one is in the car. You can see this car is rolling many rounds. His accident happened in Vietnam during to overspeeding. And this footage is recorded in the camera. Both the truck is coming towards each other, and just small tickle from the other truck lead to a very big accident. Happened, the yellow truck get rolled on the road.
What the?
A black car collided with a white truck on the highway, causing significant damage and debris. No serious injuries occurred. Two cars collided, with a single car stopped at a red signal, causing a 3-vehicle crash. The impact led to heavy front and rear damage, with traffic disrupted at the intersection. A car collided at high speed with a JCB on the road, resulting in severe front-end damage. The crash caused a major disruption, with emergency services rushing to the scene.
That we are the Millers or something like that. We're the Millers. What the? Oh my!
A speeding car from behind crashed into another vehicle, causing a sudden rear-end collision. Both vehicles sustained damage, and the impact led to brief traffic congestion. A truck lost balance and rolled over on the road, blocking multiple lanes. The accident caused major traffic delays, but no serious injuries were reported.
Oh shit!
He missed it. Oh! Damn!
Oh shit! Holy fuck!
Oh my god. I hope the dude's in the truck alright, man. Fuck!
An overspeeding car crashed into roadside fencing and burst into flames upon impact. The explosion caused severe damage. drawing a swift response from emergency services. Late at night, a car lost control and veered off the road, crashing into a tree. The impact was severe, and the vehicle instantly caught fire. Flames engulfed the car within moments, lighting up the dark surroundings. Emergency services arrived quickly, but the fire had already caused extensive damage.
Oh my God. Holy.
Holy fuck!
Holy.
A stationary car on the road was hit from behind by another speeding vehicle. The rear-end collision caused visible damage and briefly disrupted traffic flow. A black car, overspeeding at night, collided with another vehicle and burst into flames. The fiery crash caused severe damage and prompted an immediate emergency response. At a zebra crossing, a truck collided with a tractor, causing a sudden impact. The accident disrupted traffic and required prompt attention from emergency responders. A truck crossing the pool collided with a low-height bridge, damaging its front. The impact caused traffic delays, as the vehicle was stuck beneath the bridge.
Whoa! Oh shit! It's okay,
A
it's okay.
speeding car attempted to brake suddenly, but lost control and rolled over. The accident caused significant damage and disrupted traffic flow on the road. A truck was crossing the pool when its front collided with a low-height bridge. The impact caused visible damage to the truck's cab. The vehicle became stuck, blocking the road and halting traffic. Emergency crews arrived to manage the situation and clear the obstruction. A car collided with the roadside, causing damage to its side and front. The impact disrupted nearby traffic and required immediate assistance. Two trucks collided violently, causing the tanker of one to burst open. The explosion led to a dangerous situation, prompting an urgent emergency response.
Holy shit!
A black and red car collided violently on the road, causing both vehicles to lose control. They crashed into a nearby wall, which then collapsed onto the cars. The impact trapped the vehicles under the debris, causing severe damage. Emergency responders rushed to the scene to assist and clear the rubble.